Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be doing another DIY project and I'm going to be making something out of 18 candy canes. So if you want to see what that is, then I hope you keep watching. The first thing I did was glue two of them together to make a heart shape. And I continue this process for all 18. I then formed them into a wreath shape and then proceeded to glue them all together. Here I'm just reinforcing the center with some hot glue. And now I'm snipping off all the excess plastic from the ends of the candy canes. I did reinforce all the connections with the hot glue, and then for the centerpiece I'm using this plastic snowflake that I had probably from the Dollar Tree. This glitter ribbon came from Dollar Tree and I'm using that to hang it. And for the final step, I'm going to make a bow out of some of the ribbon. And this is the final result. So I hope this inspires you in some way. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And stay tuned for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.